Welcome to this tutorial on how to put to 5 by 7 designs on one page in Canva. Let's begin. Open Canva. Navigate to create a design. In the search bar, type A4. Select the A for landscape type. Then go to the top left corner and click on File. Click on Settings. Select Add Guides. Then choose Custom. Set columns to 2, gap to 1.1, margin to 1.6. Rows to 1, gap to 0, margin to 1.7. Click on Add Guides. Now, customize your project as needed. And there you have it. Your 5 by 7 designs are now placed on one page in Canva. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Thank you for watching.